Maupayahaga sa inyo tanan. Nandito tayo ngayon sa Abukay Robinsons, tayo Abukay sa Tacloban. And we're very happy. Today, i-inaugurate natin yung first wellness clinic in the Robinsons Mall chain dito sa Robinsons Tacloban. And we're very happy with our partner, yung Robinsons Malls, because they offered us space for the idea ng wellness clinic para sa ating mga kabataan. So, anong difference nito doon sa Bukas Center at saka doon sa Rural Health Unit? Rural Health Unit sa mga baryo at sa barangay. Dito, ang kino-concentrate ko, ma-address natin yung mga problema ng mga tao na naglalagi sa mall. So kasama ko dito, Director Exus. Sa Balbarino, si RD. So, napakaganda ng clinic, and this is the waiting area. Dito maghihintay yung ating mga patient kung gusto nila magpatingin sa nurse or doctor na duty dito. The operating hours are from 10 a.m. to 6 p.m. 7 days a week. Even holidays, it will be open. So, nag-concentrate kami sa mga product. Like for example, nakita mo, meron tayong nutrition, Kingdom Pinoy. May mag-educate sa kanila about proper nutrition. Problem sa child safety. Most of my injuries, number one cause of injury ng mga bata is really road safety, child safety, mga fall, sa game diabetes screening, gagawa din sila. You know what? This is one of the consultation rooms. There's information that people can get about sexually transmitted infections, about HIV, and about AIDS. Yun naman yung sa nurses area, the nurses area, but it can also be a second consultation kung may doctors. Dito rin yung kanilang supplies for medicines, and you can see may first aid kits sila. So they can also handle any emergencies that happen sa mall. So we have to teach everybody about good nutrition, immunization program, at yung primary care, yung magpatingin ka agad bago lumala. So ito mga educational stuff. So safe sex, that is the prevention for HIV. Ito, sakit din ng kabataan yan na lululong sa substance abuse ng alcohol. And lumalala ang problema sa atay. And of course, mental health. So we're trying to develop na they can go to a primary doctor, a nurse, and they will have mental health counselors na may training sa mental health. This clinic is designed for that mental health and wellness of our youth. So, pag tinatanong ako, ba't dito ako nagtatayo sa mall? Nandito yung aking target na gustong tulungan, yung ating mga teenagers at kabataan. Sa room, pasok tayo. So, dito ang clinic. So, pwedeng magkonsulta. Isa pang ina-address namin dito yung ating problem on adolescent pregnancies. We're hoping this will be an area without the parents. They can come freely. Their privacy will be respected. Pwede silang magpatingin, pwede silang magpa-prenatal, mabigyan sila ng advice ng doctors, nurses, and health professionals. Kapartner din po namin dito ang City Health Office ng Tacloban.